Women action verbs in English. Improve your English. Simple words. Real rhythm. Live the routine. Feel the moment. Let's begin. I was sleeping.
I was sleeping.
I was sleeping peacefully.
I was sleeping peacefully.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I wake up slowly.
I wake up slowly.
You wake up too.
You wake up too.
Now get up.
Now, get up.
The sun is rising.
The sun is rising.
Soft light fills the room.
Soft light fills the room.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
You get out of bed.
You get out of bed.
Stretch your legs.
Stretch your legs.
The air feels fresh.
The air feels fresh.
I open the window.
I open the window.
You open the window.
You open the window.
Let the light in.
Let the light in.
Breathe deeply.
Breathe deeply.
My body feels stiff.
My body feels stiff.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
You stretch your arms.
You stretch your arms.
Feel your strength.
Feel your strength.
I need the bathroom.
I need the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
You go to the bathroom.
You go to the bathroom.
Take your time.
Take your time.
My face feels dry.
My face feels dry.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
You wash your face.
You wash your face.
Feel the cool water.
Feel the cool water.
My mouth tastes bad.
My mouth tastes bad.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
You brush your teeth.
You brush your teeth.
Make them shine.
Make them shine.
I feel dirty.
I feel dirty.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
You take a shower.
You take a shower.
Clean your body.
Clean your body.
My skin is wet.
My skin is wet.
I dry my body.
I dry my body.
You dry your body.
You dry your body.
Use a soft towel.
Use a soft towel.
My skin needs care.
My skin needs care.
I put on lotion.
I put on lotion.
Be gentle.
Be gentle.
My hair is messy.
My hair is messy.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
You comb your hair.
You comb your hair.
Make it smooth.
Make it smooth.
I need clothes.
I need clothes.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
You get dressed.
You get dressed.
Choose something nice.
Choose something nice.
I feel hungry.
I feel hungry.
I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
You make breakfast.
You make breakfast.
What will you eat?
What will you eat?
My food is ready.
My food is ready.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
You eat breakfast.
You eat breakfast.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
I need energy.
I need energy.
I drink tea or coffee.
I drink tea or coffee.
You drink tea or coffee.
You drink tea or coffee.
Take a sip.
Take a sip.
I want to check messages.
I want to check messages.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
You check your phone.
You check your phone.
What's new today?
What's new today?
I read the news.
I read the news.
Stay informed.
Stay informed.
I have things to carry.
I have things to carry.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
You pack your bag.
You pack your bag.
Don't forget anything.
Don't forget anything.
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
I say goodbye.
I say goodbye.
You say goodbye.
You say goodbye.
Smile and wave.
Smile and wave.
My day begins.
My day begins.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
You leave the house.
You leave the house.
Walk with purpose.
Walk with purpose.
You woke up.
You woke up.
You got ready.
You got ready.
You took the first step.
You took the first step.
This is English Evolution.
Step 1, where every word moves you forward. To all learners around the world, thank you for being part of English with Ali Raza. Keep learning, keep growing. Step by step, scene by scene. We're just getting started.